One word my grandma tell me where they sink inside my brain. He say if woman dey house, if a man dey house, man no dey treat her anyhow, e dey okay for the relationship. He go carry 2 leg, say no do again. He go comot, go meet another man because he don dey see money for outside. He say the next place where you dey go, say na suffer. You go suffer with that money. Peace of mind no go dey. But if you be man, you dey good relationship, you call say another fish, another soup wey dey sit, e dey outside, you call go. The woman go use it do yeye. He say you go see wetin your eye not supposed to see. Wetin you not supposed to see, you go see am. Make we wise this new year. Make we know the way we dey plan. Make we know the way we dey do our things, the way we dey calculate. Because I no want hear am, I no want see am. Dey where you supposed to dey. You too waka follow everywhere.